Let's start to improve our language. With our channel, Fluent English and Deutsch Practice makes perfect. Are you ready? Let's go. Fluent English and Deutsch, our channel. Hello, my friends. Welcome to your channel, Fluent English and Deutsch. Today we are going to talk about an important topic. Are you ready?
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I want to tell you about my daily life. When you hear a homemaker's day, what do you think? You may think it is boring or simple, but actually, a homemaker's day is very busy and full of meaning. My day starts at 6 in the morning. The alarm clock rings. I get up from my bed and open the curtains. It is still a little dark outside, but I take a deep breath and say, "Okay, let's start a new day." First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and put on a little makeup. You may wonder, why do you put on makeup at home? But this is very important for me. When I take care of myself, I feel ready for the day. It makes me feel positive and strong. At 6:20, I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. My husband likes Japanese food, so today I will make grilled fish for breakfast. I cook rice, make miso soup, cook an egg omelet, and grill fish. I think about nutrition and what my family likes. This is my small challenge every morning. At 7 o'clock, I wake up my family. "Good morning, breakfast is ready." I call to them. My children come out of their rooms with sleepy faces. They look so cute. It makes me smile. At 7:15, we have breakfast together. This is one of the happiest times of my day. I ask my children, "Do you have a test at school today? Good luck." I ask my husband, "You said you have a meeting today, right?" These small conversations are very important. They bring our family closer together. At 8:45, I say goodbye to my husband at the door. "Have a good day. Be careful." I say the same words every day, but these words have a special meaning. They mean, "Please come home safely." I also check my children's bags. "Do you have your handkerchief?" I ask. At 8 a.m., my children leave for school. "Have a good day. I will make snacks for you when you come home." I wave to them from the door. After my family leaves, my real work begins. First, I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen carefully. When I see the clean sink, I feel happy. It is a small victory. At 8:40, I start the washing machine and vacuum the house. I clean the living room, the bedrooms, and the hallway. The sound of the vacuum cleaner is loud, but I like seeing the house become clean. It feels good. At 9:30, I hang the laundry outside on the balcony. On sunny days, I take a deep breath while hanging the clothes. Good weather today. The clothes will dry well, I think. I look up at the sky and hope for a good day. At 10 o'clock, I clean the toilet and bathroom. I clean these places every day. If I don't clean them every day, They become dirty very quickly. Water areas need special attention. At 10:40, I can finally take a break. I make coffee and sit down. I look at my smartphone and search for dinner recipes. What should I cook tonight? I should use the food in the refrigerator, I think. Looking at recipes is actually fun for me. I feel excited when I find new dishes to try. At 11 a.m., I make a laundry list. Milk, eggs, vegetables, and snacks for the children. I also check the supermarket's special sales. I need to think about our family budget. A homemaker is like the family's money manager. At 11:30, I go to the supermarket near my house. When I walk around the store, I sometimes find things I didn't plan to buy. Oh, daikon radish is cheap today. I can make a good dish with this, I think. But this is also fun. When I find fresh seasonal food, I can feel the changing seasons, and I want to give my family delicious meals. I come home at 12:30. I put away the food in the refrigerator carefully. I put food with early expiration dates in the front. I don't want to waste food. Food waste is bad for the environment and bad for our budget, too. At 12:50, it is time for my lunch. When I eat alone, I keep it simple. Sometimes I make fried rice with leftover rice. Sometimes I heat up last night's leftovers. But I need to eat properly to have energy for the afternoon, I tell myself. This lunchtime is actually my secret happy time. I watch my favorite TV show or send messages to my friends online. It is only about 30 minutes, but it is completely my own time. Homemakers need a break too, right? One thing I really enjoy is this quiet moment. The house is peaceful. No one needs me right now. I can drink my tea slowly and think about nothing. These small moments of peace are very precious to me. At 1:30, I bring in the laundry and fold it. I like folding clothes that smell like sunshine. It is a happy task. I iron my husband's shirts and put the children's clothes in their drawers carefully. At 2, I iron clothes while watching a TV talk show. Oh, that news story is interesting, I think. It is important to know what is happening in the world. Even while doing housework, I want to stay connected to society. I want to know about new things and understand the world better. At 2:40, I start preparing for dinner. I cut vegetables and season the meat. Today, I decided to make hamburger steaks. My children love them. When I think about their happy faces, my hands move naturally. Cooking with love makes food taste better. At 3, my children come home from school. Welcome home. Wash your hands first. Snacks are ready. The sound of the door opening makes the house feel bright and alive again. At 3:15, I give snacks to my children and listen to their stories. How was your test? What did you play with your friends? By listening to them, I can understand how they are growing. Sometimes they tell me their problems. When that happens, I listen carefully. Sometimes I give advice. Sometimes I just listen. Being a good listener is very important for a mother. These conversations teach me so much. I learn what makes them happy, what worries them, and how they see the world. Every day they teach me something new. At 3:45, I watch over my children doing their homework while continuing to cook dinner. I walk between the kitchen and the dining room. If you don't understand something, please ask me, I say. Doing many things at the same time is a homemaker's special skill. At 5 o'clock, I cook dinner. Seriously now, I cook hamburger steaks, make salad, and prepare miso soup. The sound of hamburgers cooking, the smell of miso soup. When I think about my family's happy faces, cooking feels meaningful, I always think. Food made with love tastes special. At 6 o'clock, my husband comes home. Welcome home. How was your day? If he looks tired, I feel worried, but I hope the smell of dinner can make him feel a little better. At 6:30, we have dinner together as a family. This is the second happiest time of my day. Today, we have hamburger steaks. Please eat a lot. You have a field trip tomorrow. What do you want in your lunchbox? Conversation around the dinner table is more valuable than any entertainment. My children's smiles and my husband's words, "This is delicious," are my best rewards. Family dinner time is when we share our days. We laugh together, we talk about problems, we make plans. We are not just eating food. We are building our family bonds stronger. At 7:15, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. After I finish this, I can relax a little. I think while working quickly. A clean kitchen at the end of the day makes me feel satisfied. At 7:45, I help my children take a bath. Wash your hair properly. Stay in the bathtub and get warm. I can hear my children's happy voices from the bathroom. Listening to their voices, I feel that today was another peaceful day. At 8:30, my husband and I watch TV or talk in the living room. You look very busy these days. Are you feeling okay? I ask him. Time with my husband is also very important. We share our news with each other. Sometimes we laugh together. Sometimes we have serious conversations. This is how we keep our marriage strong. At 9 o'clock, I help my children get ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth and change into pajamas. Let me see your teeth. Did you brush well? I check their teeth. Children at this age still need help, but they will grow up soon. When I think about this, I feel a little sad. I want to treasure this time. At 9:20, I read a picture book to my children. Okay, today we will read this story. I hold my children on my lap and read. I really love this time. I can feel their warmth. I can see their peaceful faces. There is no greater happiness than this. At 9:40, I put my children to bed. Good night. See you tomorrow. I touch their heads gently. I feel thankful that we could finish another safe day together. I watch them sleep peacefully and feel deep gratitude. At 10, I finally take my bath. I sit in the warm water and think, finally, I can truly relax. This time is completely mine, only mine. The warm water relaxes my tired muscles. I can think about my day or think about nothing at all. At 10:40, after my bath, I prepare for tomorrow. I prepare food for my child's field trip lunchbox. I check what they need to bring. Tomorrow's lunchbox should have egg omelet and fried chicken. The children will be happy, I think, while preparing. Making lunchboxes with love is my special way of showing care. At 11, I talk with my husband a little, then we go to bed. Thank you for your hard work today. Let's do our best again tomorrow, we say to each other. These words of appreciation make our relationship stronger, I feel. At 11:20, I read a book or look at my smartphone in bed. But I tell myself, I need to wake up early tomorrow. I should sleep soon. I try to be disciplined about sleep because I need energy for tomorrow. At 11:40, I go to sleep. Before sleeping, I think, I will work hard for my family again tomorrow. I remember the small happy moments from today, and I fall asleep with a grateful heart. This is my day as Anna, a homemaker. There is nothing special. It is just an ordinary homemaker's daily life. But in this ordinary life, there are many small joys and moments of happiness. My family smiles, the words, "This is delicious," a clean house, the smell of sunshine on laundry. These small things support me and give my life meaning. People say a homemaker's work is hard to see. We don't get a salary. People don't often praise us. But I believe that supporting my family's health and happiness is very noble work. It is important and meaningful. Of course, there are hard times. Sometimes I don't have time for myself. Sometimes I am too tired and don't want to do anything. But my family's words, "thank you," and their smiles blow away all my tiredness. Their happiness is my happiness. I want to continue treasuring this daily life. I do it for my family and for myself too. Every day may look the same, but every day is precious. Every day is a gift. Being a homemaker is not just doing chores. It is creating a warm home. It is building a happy family. It is making memories that will last forever. This is my job. This is my joy. This is my life.
Thanks for watching. And thank you for being here with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and improved your English along the way. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. في نهاية الفيديو لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلك كل جديد، ولا تنسى أن اللغة للممارسة وليست كلمات فقط. واكتب لنا في التعليقات جملة جديدة.